It on the seam. Oh, Rickelton. What a beautiful sound off the back. That's the one. He just over-pitched it, and Ryle Rickelton, well, he just hit it perfect.
Still intact. Oh, my word. Fetch. No one can fetch it in the crowd, but look out, Rickelton is on, 33 for none.
Ryan Rickelton plants another one.
He saw the length early. That is some destructive hitting by Rickelton.
What a way to go to 100. Ryan Rickelton, his first 100 in SA20. One to savour and a match still to win.